A former New Mexico judge has filed an ethics complaint against a powerful state lawmaker who is also a high-profile attorney, saying he's introducing a bill that could make him a lot of money. But the lawmaker, House Speaker Brian Egoff, denies that accusation. News 13's Lizzie Mitri has both sides.
I actually have several ethical concerns.
Former District Court Judge Sandra Price filed a complaint last week with the New Mexico State Ethics Commission against Democratic House Speaker Brian Egoff.
I paused before filing this ethics complaint because being a judge, that's a very serious thing to do.
At the center is House Bill 4, or the New Mexico Civil Rights Act. Representative Egoff sponsored and voted for it. It would allow people to sue public bodies like city and county governments in state court for violations of the Bill of Rights under the New Mexico Constitution, as opposed to fighting civil rights violations in federal court.
There's some ability to have a broader range of rights protected than you would be able to see in federal.
But in the House Judiciary Committee last week, he said it would not open up the floodgates for lawsuits. Price worries Egoff isn't being completely honest and transparent, though. He's a Santa Fe attorney who handles civil rights cases. She says Egoff could make money off of this if it becomes law.
At the least, he should have disclosed that this legislation might financially benefit him.
The representative says the complaint is baseless. His attorney, Andrew Schultz, says the bill creates a whole new type of lawsuit, so there's no evidence to show who could profit from it.
Bottom line, does Mr. Egoff stand to benefit from this bill passing?
That's such a hypothetical question.
He also points out
we have a part-time citizen legislature, and that a considerable number of members of that legislature are attorneys. And a considerable number of those lawyers who are attorneys end up dealing in matters that come before the state legislature.
a motion to dismiss the ethics complaint, saying it has no merit. Lizzie Mitri, KRQE News 13.
Now, the former judge who filed the complaint says this is not political. In fact, she says she's a Democrat. House Bill 4 passed 39 to 29 in the House. It now heads to the Senate.